Elijah and Mr. Harmon's second hour for Modtech, and I made a unicorn dude with my name tag.
Hello everybody, it is me, Jimmy the Chungus. Jimmy the Chungus has made a car. A very good and beautiful car. The Swagalicious kind of car. Nothing that you'll see in ages. But there's something hiding in this big boy car. And I'm about to show you what that is. That's right. A tiny car in a car. Either way, this is the Swagalicious car that Jimmy the Chungus has made. Remember to like and subscribe to HLModTech and get crackin'.
This is a basketball court by Christian Kelly. Why did my son just learn this?
My name is Ryder, and I made an Astromobile. It's got a lot of headlights, big wheels in the back, a spoiler, and a halo, and Astrobot driving it.
Hi, I'm Clint, and I just did the laser cutting for the name and backplate, and it looks pretty cool. It turned out really good. Thanks for watching.
Hello, this is Eli Martinez from Mr. Harmon's 6th grade class, 5th hour, and I made a sea turtle. He's kind of smushed right here, but it's kind of fun. He has his eggs back here, and the ocean waves over here.
I'm Elijah from Mr. Harmon's second hour for Modtech, and I made a bug. Yeah.
I'm Campbell, and I'm from Mr. Harmon's 5th hour, and I made a rapper dude, and his name is Lil Glitter Bomb.
I made HLModTech. So this is my car. I got England wheels. It's a low rider. I'm not a low rider. It's just lower. It says egg roll. I got a terror back.
Go! This is a football field by Nathaniel Bean.
It is me, Jimmy the Chungus, back with another Tinkercad video. And with this one, I made a little stick person, the strong guy holding the ice cream with the sun in the background. I was able to make all these things with the good old scribble thing. Scribble too, you can make a lot of amazing things like this man and this sun. This is all that I have for you today. And as always, get crackin'. And subscribe to HLModTech.
Alrighty friends, so here is a new version of the Glowforge glider getting ready to finish drying, and I will test it tomorrow. You can see that this wing is actually shaped like an airfoil. Those were modeled in Tinkercad and cut on the Glowforge before being assembled. Tried getting a little extra strength with 3 sections of fuselage. And it's hard to see, but I did model this tail so that it actually intersects with the horizontal and vertical stabilizer. And of course, if you visit HLModTech.com, on the Glowforging tab, you will find this sweet lesson to create an awesome glider.
The hockey rink by Nathan Bean. We got the Blackhawks playing the Red Wings, and I think it's pretty cool.
I'm for first hour Modtech, and I'm going to be showing you my car. That is my car. Don't forget to subscribe to HLModTech.
Hi, my name is Ryder, and I made a stick man riding a centipede and a sun with shades.
I'm Clint, and this is the Tinkercad towers that we made today.
They're really awesome. I have my Astrobot, I named him Bob up there. And I have my car garage and my mini apartments. Thanks for watching.
Ryder from First Hour Modtech, and I'm going to be showing you my tower. This is my tower that I built and all the directions I made. Don't forget to subscribe to HLModTech.
Hello, it is me, Jimmy the Chungus. And I am showing you the beautiful child that Jimmy the Chungus has made today with this cool thing called Tinkercad, suggested by HLModTech. And that's not even all. If you look to the left, you have the gorgeous Papa, the big boy of the place, with the magical horn of wisdom. It stretches beyond oblivion. Either way, this is the perfect project that I've made on Tinkercad. Subscribe to HLModTech and get crackin'.
It's Gracie here from HLModTech, and today I want to show you, I don't know what really I did, but I think I kind of took it to another level with something I made. So this is epic. You should really try out HLModTech because you can do this weird stuff and it's crazy fun. So I'll see you guys later.
We in second hour, me and Pete, and I made a top laser cutter. But this is my top. It's got like a circle in the middle, and like I don't know what that is at the bottom, but I just made this in Tinkercad. Front. You look like Hey Arnold. That was weird.
Hit the wall again.
Alright, show me how it's supposed to look. Nice.
So it's Kylie and I made a Sarah bug. Wow. It looks like. Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Alina here, and here's my bug. And no, it's not based off a person.
Hi, I'm Arhianna from Mr. Harmon's 4th hour class, and over the weekend I believe I made this duck using all cubes and that's all, and I angled them and I changed the size a lot, and yeah, bye.
Love a good Sunday morning with actual sun.